It has Nifty made some low, come up, and it is at 8190 level. And same way, my 8,100 call, put, everything is having its own levels. Bank Nifty, it is receding. It is 8,000, 18,271. I didn't get a chance to enter. I didn't get a chance to enter in Bank Nifty. Nothing to worry. Let it not happen. So I'll not be get worried if it is coming to 18,378 raise again now, then I can think of initiating a trade. If Nifty is coming to 8,090 now, then I can think of initiating a trade. Till that point, I'm not entering anything. I'm just watching the market. I'm just observing the market. Though there is a gap down opening, many of you used to say that yes, it has come at a flash crash and gone, or it is just a flash entry has come and it has gone. So always whenever I take a trade assumptions based on the weekly level, I never take this kind of opening flashes as my consideration. Last week I have also conducted the event and I have told you that it was a flash. So many of you said that why didn't you conduct it at 9:15? So today we have conducted at 9:15. Exactly in front of our eyes the market has opened. So I have not done any intraday calculation so far also. I'm just 9:18 is now the time. I'm waiting for some more time. I'm waiting for some more time. 5 or 10 minutes I'll give the gap. Then only I can decide. Only 3 minutes I have given. Now Bank Nifty, if it is coming to my sell entry level, I can sell. If the Nifty comes to my sell entry level, I can sell. If now the Nifty comes to my buy entry level also, post 5 or 10 minutes, I can think of buying. But I am not entering the trade till 9:18. I'm just observing the market. I'm just observing the market. It is a flash. Yes, it has happened and it has moved up. So now this is the level happened. So now uh, let me give one more minute also. 9:20 will be the best time. 5 or 10 minutes. Let me give. Then I can think of calculating for the intraday. See, things used to change in the very first hours of the trade. That is what always I used to tell you. First 5 or 10 minutes of the market, if you do not give the time to settle down, you have ample time. It is a weekly trade. Till Friday we have the time. There is nothing wrong if you can just give little time for the market to settle down. Once we give little time to settle down, then we have ample opportunity to enter the trade. We have never got a buy entry now. We got a sell entry. We got a sell entry in the Nifty future, and that too also it is in the very flash moment, so we do not have ample time to initiate that trade. So I am just giving a gap. Now 9:20 is the time. 5 minutes I have given the time things, and this is how the Bank Nifty didn't come to my entry level of sell entry level. And Bank Nifty, if I look into here, it has never come to my sell entry level. It has opened up here, fallen down, and it is just scaling up. It has not come to my level. Nifty also didn't come to my level. So let me do some intraday analysis now. I have given a gap of 5 minutes. So 5 or 10 minutes also you can give. It is nothing wrong in that. So intraday trade we are going to do Nifty. I just loaded the data. Reference 8,116 it has taken. And I am just going to calculate. Buy entry is 8,110 it is coming, and 8,067 is coming my sell entry. So now it is 8,116. Can anyone will suggest me what I should do here? This is 8,116, now 8,112 also it has come. Can anyone will suggest me at this point of time for intraday trade, what will be my decision? What should I do? Shall I buy the Nifty or sell the Nifty or wait for certain things? We should buy the Nifty at this particular price 8080 8109. But before that, nothing wrong if we can have a introspection on the PCR. Only one participant has told that we should look into the PCR call ratio. So I am just going to the NSC site. PCR, look into this PCR. Now it is only one participant has told me we must look into the PCR. So Nifty. So alert me whenever this weekly Nifty sell entry comes or buy entry comes. So or the Bank Nifty level comes. So we must go to the options, and here is the PCR. So put call ratio, very easy to calculate, and so sometimes to make your trade more refined, so this is also required. Very much required factor is PCR. So this is coming to the 41 lakhs and 73,000 and odd, so or 4.5 crores. Just I have so this is your put concentrations, and this is your call concentrations. So whatever may be the figure, just take it out, and number of put divided by number of call. So 1.09 above 1.05, so nothing wrong. PCR also suggesting, though it is in a range bound, 1.16 above, it is giving you here clear indication. Nothing wrong if intraday basis we can buy the Nifty. We can buy the Nifty for intraday basis. So 23, 44, 59, 8159, till that point we have a target, and we must hedge it also. Once we are buying it, think about 8,100 put hedge or any kind of 8050, or because 8050 also is a good choice of, because you are going to do for intraday. So 8067 level your downtrend is starting, you can think of buying option, or you can think of writing a option also. Why don't you write, because your last target is 8201. If you think of selling a 8200 call option also, that also you can do. So that also you can do. You can buy the options for intraday trade. You can think of buying a future along with the 8100 put option buy, or you can think of buying a future along with a 8200 call sell. Either of these things you can do. Either of these things you can do, because your objective is for intraday trade. So nothing wrong. You are in the very fast part of your settlement cycle, and your expectation is maximum till 8200 you can go, and in between this is the hurdle point 8145 to 8160. In between this you are going to find out a hurdle for intraday. Think of selling option also. Same way. Let us move to for the Bank Nifty. Weekly levels, we have not got any entry. Bank Nifty reference 18,316. So 18,435 is the buy entry, it is coming, and 18,344 is coming the sell entry, and you are at 15. So first target of the sell entry is already means achieved. You can say target 1 you have already achieved. Nothing wrong, you can enter a sell trade also at this point of time. If you are entering a sell trade, your first target only achieved, so second and third you can expect. So till 0.382, nothing wrong if you are going to make an entry. So 320 level it has come. So same way you can think of hedging this trade also. Once you are selling here, you must think of 18,400 call. 18,400 call, if you think also 18,400 call of weekly options. So this also 129 is now December fast expiry. You are going for intraday trade, so nothing to worry about that. So But one thing I just want to make it very sure. So whenever you got a entry, you just, it is in the fast target level. I'm telling you, and 250 level it has touched, means it is morning, some gap down happened. It has gone till 8,272 and 18,239. In between that it has gone and it is reversing from here. It is reversing from here. So whenever the price, because you have taken a reading after 10 minutes, before 10 minutes some incidents happened and now the price is reversing, and this is for intraday trade we are analyzing. So once this price is reversing from this kind of situation, means from death zone it is reversing, instead of selling it her 18,315 level, better wait for the 18,345. Better wait for the 18,345 range. Wait for some time. So it is reversing. It will definitely give a things. We are not going to change our decision of sell, but better wait for another 20 points. Once it comes, then you enter and have a hedge also. So have a hedge also. So Nifty moving up and Bank Nifty also is moving up. So we have concluded in this order. Bank Nifty, it is coming to 18,345. We will be selling it with a call option hedge for intraday. We'll keep a stop loss of 435. Once it comes, we will exit the short trade and the call option hedge, and we'll buy the Bank Nifty along with the put option at that time. For Nifty also we have decided. So this also we can see in our web view. Web view also we can see that, and so web view also we can see this one. So today it is only one SD this feature is available. It is not with any other tool. So just we have given this tool for a 1SD. If you have independent 1SD tool, you can use it. So now this is also, I have told you, 18,109 level we should have bought till 23 also we are having. Here there is a returning point we have decided. If we are buying here in between this 0.236 to 0.382 level, then we must sell a 8,200 call option, or we can buy a 8,100 put option, whichever is suitable to us. So 18,344, 345 it has come. Now I am just Bank Nifty. Nifty you have already bought and you are with some options. So I'm just going for 18,400 call. As I told you, it is now 18,400 and call. Sorry, I have put the put option. This is the call option, 120, 130 level. So nothing wrong if we can. So I initiate one trade in front of you. I'm first buying the put option so that my margin will be, I bought it and I am selling 42. It has come and I am selling a future 25. So 25 it has gone. It has come to 42 level. I have sold this thing as per my intraday analysis. So 345 level I could have sold, but 20 point I am giving these things because by the time we are talking and taking these things, there's some 20 point I have sacrificed, but nothing wrong. I have just sold the future along with this one. So what will be my target? I'll be expecting 272 to 239. This is the range I should come out, or even I can wait for 18,150, 150 level. But one thing I can do it very nicely here. Once the price is coming to this range, I can think of selling one 18,100 put option and oscillate couple of times if stop loss is not hitting. So till 8147 you have achieved in the Nifty trades. What we have got 8147, as I told you, this is from here it is reversing. So it has come here 18,145. This is the point we have entered and it is hit here. and it has now reversing from there. So nothing, no. So again 18,345 level has come. I have a hedge, nothing to worry. I'll just wait for that stop loss point. If it comes, I'll be reversing my trade. Until that stop loss point has not come, I have nothing to worry. I'll be confidently waiting for that my targets to come. Confidently I'll be waiting for my targets to come. So this is what I have initiated the trade for the Bank Nifty. Again, you will also got a chance at 18,344 levels. So just to boost your confidence, I have just entered a trade along with a put option, though 20 point below in that. So I'm just waiting for, because one level it has hit, it is reversed back. I'm not worried about that. I'm just entered a trade along with a call option and waiting for the same. And Bank Nifty, Nifty, we have achieved 18,147 level, and same time you can say if you would have sold this thing at 8 rupees, 8,200, you would have sold at 104 rupees range. So that also you can say some 7 to 8 rupees we have lost here, and this is some 20 rupees we have made again here. So Bank Nifty, Nifty, we have just hit the first target. We have not moved beyond the first target. And put option, along with that, if I could have taken a put option also 18,100 put option along with that also. So I could have sacrificed some amount of profit in that also, for means from 20 range to this range. We have just identified when it is 18,117, 16, again come to 18,112. So that is the point we have just identified, and we have entered the trade in that. I have entered a Bank Nifty trade because I have a awesome strategy built up in the Nifty. That's why I have not entered in the Nifty. Bank Nifty, I have entered a trade in front of you. Let us see for the result. So till the stop loss point is not hit, I will not be worried. I'll be just waiting for that stop loss point to come, or again also it is coming to same level 18,340, 350 range. So here definitely once you see that some 500 rupees you will be losing here, and you will be getting some money here, some 100 rupees, almost 100 rupees you are gaining here. So once the target comes, uh, we have to initiate, means come out from the trade. So target points, it will never change in the 1SD throughout the day. You can initiate the trade and wait for that things to come. So here Bank Nifty 1SD, whatever the analysis you have done in the web view, you can able to trace those things. So this is the level, it is there 18,435. So I can think of 18,463 level. Till this point also I can wait. There is nothing wrong in that. So my first target 272 means first target will be 18,272, 239. So these are the things I can expect. If the stop loss hits, I will come out. If the stop loss hits, I will be coming out. So this is about the, and our entry level also was quite in line with that. Till 0.382 we can think of. So since put call ratio is in the range, so it is giving you just a touch and bounce it has given. So the intraday trade what you have initiated in the Nifty, you have achieved the first target, not gone beyond that. Trailing stop loss also didn't trigger. Bank Nifty opening gap down was there, then it has bounced back from that point, and I have also initiated the trades in that. Nifty, we got a chance to buy, achieve the first target for intraday. Remaining targets is still in due. So, and for the weekly trends, we got a chance 8,147. Initially Most probably it will be when weekend you can look into these figures, it will be little confusing. You will say that okay, I have sold here, again stop loss hit here, again I bought here, it will hit a stop loss. It is not like that. As I told you, only in the first 1 minute of your time this levels has happened. 8,088 and gone to 8,078 and come back. So this also always I used to say in most of my videos, you can find out in most of my videos, do not hurriedly enter a trade. You have ample opportunity. Once it has given you the opportunity and taken it back, it will again give you that. So till that point, wait, just let it settle down. So after opening, means if you are just waiting for 15-20 minutes, it is nothing wrong. So say 10 minutes after you got 8,147. At this point, nothing wrong if you can buy. Nothing wrong if you can buy with a hedging of 8,100 put. So nothing wrong in that particular time. So your intraday trade in Nifty and weekly trade in the Nifty, both in the long side having a hedging. In intraday you achieved a fast target. For weekly trades you have not achieved any target, just made an entry with a hedging. So you record that trade for the, if you say 8,100 put option I have bought at 132, 133 range, along with a means or 130 range I have bought it, and along with a future buy at 8,147 range. There's nothing wrong about that. Just wait for that target to come. Wait for that particular target to achieve. And Bank Nifty, intraday trades, positional weekly trades, we have not got anything. So if it means it has just opened at 8,000, 18,390, fallen down, again bounced back, gone to 18,347 range, and our weekly trends are sitting here. So if it is again coming to that 18,390 range, you can think of selling. And for intraday trade, already I have told you, and I have initiated one trade also. So this, most of the time people argue that hedging reduces the profit and this thing. So now you have got a 400 profit here and you are getting some 200, 300 rupees losses here, some 100 rupees net of is coming. So just wait for that fast target to come, because whenever you do intraday trade, your objective is limited to win few thousands of rupees. So if it comes, then happily you should come out from that. So our first target for this one is 18,272, second is 239, 18,239. So let us wait for that, or let us wait for the stop loss to hit. So this is how we have initiated, and this is what we have got. Now one question comes, Nifty hit the first target and coming back. I have hedged it. I have hedged it. Once first target hits in intraday basis. In intraday basis, I am talking about intraday trade. Nifty hit the 8147. This is only my first target. It is coming back. So 8123 level is my trailing stop loss. If the trailing stop loss comes, what I should do? Can anyone will tell me what I should do here? If it has hit the first target, I trail my stop loss because I didn't enter at 8109. I have entered at 1217, that range, in between this range. But once it hit the first target, my trailing is 8,123. Once it is coming to this level of 8,123, what I should do? Shall I exit the trade? Shall I hold the trade? Or what I should do? As an intraday trader. As an intraday trader, it is almost in that part of our trailing stop loss, near to my trailing stop loss. What I should do as an intraday trader at 8123 level. Once the trailing hits, you come out from that trade. The most optimistic answer for this question for intraday trade. First target hit, I could not able to book the profit. I was anticipating the second target, third target, all these things. However, it has hit the trailing stop loss. So I have to come out. Can anyone will justify why this trailing stop loss? I'll just come out from both the trades. I will not exit the future and hold the put. That is not a good idea. I'll come out from the entire trade. Can anyone will justify after hitting this first target why I could not make the second target and I have retraced back? What was the reason behind that? It has given a good trend breakout. It could have achieved the success. It could have achieved that particular optimum level what I was anticipating. What went wrong? Why I have not achieved that things? And I have just retraced back. What was the issue? It is not because of the death zone. Death zone always say that there will be a time reversal will be there. It is death zone always say that it will be a reversal will be there. It is not because of death zone. It is because of the PCR, put call ratio. Always I used to advocate. This is also you have to only Venkatesh sir and Bito Sarmaji has told that. So range bound market we have identified from the beginning. I do not know who is the participant, but he has told from the beginning itself, before entering a trade, we must introspect the put call ratio. We have introspected the put call ratio, and put call ratio has given us that we are at 1.09 level. So this 1.09 of put call ratio, this signifies that we have very lesser, very lesser confidence on a entry trade. So this is how, for this reason only we have, you can say we had a put call ratio. Already I have told in many videos, in on the YouTube channel also you can find out 1.16 above it is a great trend level. Below that it is not a great trend level. So below 1.16 it is not a great level. So this is for that reason only we had a reversal of the trends, and for that only we have got this kind of result. So this is what for the intraday we have initiated. This is what for the positional we have initiated. Put call ratio still not conducive. 1.16. So 1.16 is a put call ratio. So 1.16 put call ratio. Lower side 0.85 below it will be the downtrend, and once it goes to a level of 0.5 level, so that is said that 1.16 above it will be a bullish trend, 0.85 level bearish, 0.90 to 1.05, 0.90 to 1.05, that level is for range boundness. So for that reason only it has we have got a reversal here because of the put call ratio. So because of put call ratio, and another factor is where two indices is in the very big decoupling mode also. Bank Nifty, because of a news that there will be excessive liquidity should be sucked out from the system, so that is Bank Nifty also reacting adversely for that. So Nifty, though it is holding the ground, but banking stocks are very much dominating in the Nifty, that also yield to specific correction on the level of the means, that also yield to some amount of our range boundness, because when two indices used to decouple, that also impact little bit of range boundness. So Nifty trailing triggered, and Bank Nifty we are still selling the Bank Nifty for intraday. Positional side Nifty we are still long, and it has not given any stop loss breakout. And Bank Nifty, basically this 1.16 above you cannot trust. For Bank Nifty you need to take all weekly options and monthly options together. What is the open interest, and based on that you have to take. Together whatever the open interest is coming, you have to add all call options of different weekly and as well as monthly, and same way you have to add all put option of weekly and monthly, then you have to take a call. So this is what we have initiated, and this is what we have got. As all of you know, and you are regular visitor of our website, you'll be knowing that a lot of stops you can get in our website. You can get some fantastic articles, you can use some free calculators for options, for intraday decisions and all. However, those calculators has a limited accuracy to the point of only 40 to 50% you can get it. And coming back to these products, we have 12 products. If you are purely a intraday trader, so our latest product for intraday trade is 1SD, which you have seen now, which you are experiencing from the past many weeks. Similar way, many other principles are there, and we have different courses and other things. So this price of 1SD 2700, different software has different pricings. If you wish to take the benefit of all products along with the literatures, books and DVDs, it comes with one discount price of 17,500. We have also a fantastic program which we have launched, and it is going to start recursively from the December first week. So this program is a one-year trade mentoring program wherein you have some live trade decisions, discussions. We have some conceptual things to learn every month basis. So this comes at a price of 22,500 per year. And if you are an existing buyer, you have already taken our full package earlier and you have been using it for all our softwares, then only for full package buyer. If you have taken any individual product, then you are not eligible for that. If you have already invested on the 17,500 package, then you can go with this existing program, so which will cost you 8,000. So this is about our products and services, and any query regarding the product, you can very well ask at our sales number here, 9840348971, or these numbers. So these are the numbers you can ask us. And these trend reports what we are being giving from the past 60 weeks. Every week I used to validate these reports, and I used to give you a brief intro about that report, and also I used to release how far it is successful. So today you have seen that we have just started with a gap down, could not enter. We have just entered the long in Nifty future. Bank Nifty we have not entered any weekly positions, only Nifty we have entered a weekly position with a proper hedging. For intraday basis you have entered the Nifty. However, post fast target trailing has triggered, you have come out. For Bank Nifty, gap down was there, then it has bounced back. We have entered a short trade along with the hedging, and we need to wait and see how the result of that trade comes by the day end. So I have also entered that particular trade in front of you, and you have seen that particular outcome of that particular trade which I have taken. So this is how we have initiated a trade, and this is how we should enter the trade. And I have also told you that always don't think of buying a option along with a future is a best hedging technique. You can think of writing up some options also, because you are at a first part of your trading cycle. You can think of writing some options. And some used to say, what is the difference between your 1SD software and Smart IT software? Smart IT software has all interfaces: volatility, Fibonacci, 1SD, Cambrilla, Elliott, pivot, GFE, everything. And once you analyze this in means in Smart IT, you get some extra informations. Extra information in the sense, once you go for a calculate, you go for a summary. So you get out of how many analysis out of 6 analysis, 4 are neutral, 2 are saying buy. So similar kind of one average out thing you can get, and you can follow any one. You can think, follow any one. These levels of 1SD what has generated that time, it has not changed. So any one analysis you can follow, and it has extensive option tools. You have a intraday option, you have a positional option, you have a arbitrage option. Specifically for intraday option, I never recommend in the first week of the settlement cycle. Reason is it used to be a high time value will be there. The small oscillation or little bit of consolidation will spoil the trade. Henceforth, first week better avoid. Second, same way last week also you avoid. But if you think of arbitrage, you can still initiate the arbitrage trades. So this is how you should trade in the options. So here you get three tools: option, intraday, positional, and arbitrage. There you get only one tool, option intraday. So this is how it is different. Besides that, this smart IT also has a pair trading tool. So you can do a pair trade analysis also. So pair trade takes the Johnson's alpha, Sharpe ratio, all these things into consideration, and do analysis for you. So here intraday positional both you can able to do, and this is little bit you have to learn about that things. It is a very safer trade practice, and it has a great rewarding ability. So this feature also we have given in that high-end tool. So these facilities you won't get in those 1SD tool. It is a basic tool which has basic functionalities. You can do some basic calculations and basic results you can get in that. Somewhat higher on option side, higher on pair trade, and little bit of clear indication on the trend you can get in that tool. So this is how the tools are being analyzed, and this is how our tool says. So so I have taken the recording of this event.